and static scoping enables to see the internal memory partition side of the program code. So, but with early history languages, most of things dealt on go-to statements. We cannot rely on go-to statements. Why? So in here the table shows some two examples to prove that. Simple go-to segment in the left side. So you can see some three go-to statements, three line numbers in the nested if condition set. Somehow if we use some lot of nested if for nested loop constraints, we have to call those go-to line numbers for thousands of times. So it may be not easy to user to see and identify which execution, which process is going to perform in that each instant. But in the Java segment you can see a correct organization, well mannered, well organized coding, gradually built, and there is a sequence. So we can easily understand what is the condition do and what returns from that, and the execution can be easily understand. Next, the elegance in programming.
Next one is elegance in programming. Confine your attention to design that look good because they are good. The principles mainly focused on the interactive creation of languages. It is well known that feature interaction poses a serious problems for language designers because of the difficult of analysis all the possible interactions of features in the language. If you are going to increase the interaction of the program power might be affected by that. So the cascade of user friendliness and the efficiency of the coding should be balanced. Example, visual languages like VB. As a second one is defense in depth. If an error occurs one line of defense, then it should be covered by the next line of defense. First one, great to have several mechanisms to catch the errors. Next one, manage risk with diverse defensive strategies. Next one, mostly applicable in real world activities. Especially the do loop in Fortran provides several errors due to misuse, but the compiler might not complain for that. Example of violation, highly optimized do loop in Fortran. Since Fortran doesn't have keywords, it allows to declare anything from names which are using for identical operations. But for some cases, compilers inform the conflict, such as the misuse go-to statement. Two versions of go-to statements. One, assign go-to. Second one, computed goto. Next principle is orthogonality. Independent functions should be controlled by independent mechanisms. The main aspect of orthogonality principle is to work with highly independent programming modules such as objects and functions. The main aspect of object-oriented program is to